you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, Nanajma, Maminas live on Inshira 104.5, your number one. I can radio station Yatanasi a brand new week said Nanajma, and so the career to get Yakuna Fensano, Yemfamet, but your son of Pesa Ufola, Wunsubet Miako, Facebook Live, Jarema Tarama, Samsona Pauli, and Richard Somatimaki Kanyames, and your Facebook, no, and sweat me to Mukamano Ponsubet Miako, Inshira 104.5 on Facebook, Nafe Wunswet Miako follow show, no, who like and watch the for comment. No, won't so they are two come on my better say no baby wuti ankano what making count messages no and so the at the amount now pay make us some matches about now what you know yen chance and free the mighty Premier League Southampton at Nafie Burnley Equasheni 2-1 Norwich City at Nafie Liverpool Kwasheni 1-0 Apprentice Francis Sadio Mane and a share go na dem Liverpool and what Aston Villa at Villa Park Eshe 2 Tottenham Hotspurs and sweat me Kwasheni 3-1 Apprentice Francis Toby David with me Eshe 2 goals nemo bako na a own goal the tennis team no was sound so beteka Apprentice Francis Human Song and sweat me bo 2 goals Emma Tottenham Hotspurs omutimi winning side game no by 3 goals to 2 ewo Emirates Sports Stadium enra nesa kwe niji samso dia mada Ghana si boboko no esanse Arsenal tene omunem Arsenal to Newcastle ebon 4-0 Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang bo first goal Nicolas Pepe bo second goal Mesut Ozil bo third goal and after Alexander Lacazette Ronsu free bench ebeye ne 4 Emma eno Arsenal so no enya 3 points at the free side game ne mo na enanwumre ebo 8 pm e was Stamford Bridge Chelsea and Manchester United game no enu so betem so live commentary ye de bebre here for live on Inshira 104.5 chairman Eji Adanso so chairman with my friends at Chelsea no the Tennessee dia match no and so e pass enano no ye de won 7 so de bread here for na make us dia upiem e Premier League table no so Liverpool elite wom ekra 76 points Manchester City toss me no wom ekra 51 points Bobo Conference Leicester City toss me wom ekra 50 points Chelsea toss 9 wom ekra 41 points Samsung Bobo Conference Tottenham and that's Tottenham Hotspurs and so toss wom ekra 40 points Sheffield toss wom 39 points Wolves toss wom ekra 36 Samsung Everton toss 36 points and the crowd when watching on Manchester United toss wom ekra 35 and afi Arsenal abetoso etu ekra 34 points yenko La Liga Santander Valencia tenafi ewo Mestalla one Atletico Madrid debo 2-2 and wati Barcelona and so tenafi last Saturday etmi shetu atefi ete kanubako Apprentice France Antoine Griezmann and afi Sergio Roberto enebo 2 goals no edema Barca team no and wati Villarreal so tenafi etmi shetu Levante ete kanubako Sevilla and so Roman Sanchez Pizjuano etmi shetu Espanyol and so etmi shetu Atletico Bilbao ewo San Mamés obotenafi Emma Osasuna ebetwane 1-0 no and no Real Madrid and so etmi tena Santiago Bernabeu shetu Celta Vigo and so etmi shetu Toni Kroos and afi Sergio Ramos de share 2 goals no edema Madrid they say e dia table no but the Madrid team no era so elite ekra 53 points Barcelona toss me no ekra 52 points Hatafe toss me ekra 42 and no let come Madrid toss 9 ekra 40 Sevilla toss makuma ko enum sukra 40 points ya de won some de matie for yenko the Italian Calcio Serie A and the battle for the Scudetto and also Manchester team ko so bi Lecce tenafi eshe 2 Spa kanaba ko Bologna tenafi ma Genoa between 3-0 Atlanta and so tenafi no in the big game eshe 2 ma Roma and so kanaba ko Juventus and so tenafi eshe 2 goals Brescia Fuentmiante Apprentice France Paulo Dybala etme bo first goal 1 Cuadrado bo second goal Emma Juve win a side game no by 2 goals no chance so no game no dia Juve so team drop Apprentice France Ronaldo when sia Canebi Cagliari tenafi Napoli shine kabako Lazio and so Inter Milan eshe ni 2-1 bibia ko kama edema Lazio bobo kono enyame edma ene boss 745 AC Milan and Torino so game na pass Juve lead with 57 points Lazio Lazio etosmienu 56 points. Inter tosomiensa wom ekura 54 na after Atlanta etosoma komako 9 wom ekura 45 points. Napoli after so mo weni enrano wom era so toso nwotwe wom ekura 33 points. AC Milan etoso etu wom ekura 32 ntia na AC etme win the game na wom nso betme yi Napoli ana so betia pom na fa be yi Napoli the free 8A position wo na be bia so akoye the amo panyina ne dem enso Stefano Pioli ene AC Milan bobokono na uko German Bundesliga rima mamenka osa match setimi course no the Atenese Borussia Dortmund wom nso etme share 4 ema Eintracht Frankfurt entmiante RB Leipzig tenafie wom eshe 3 Werder Bremen entmiante enwechi Fortuna Düsseldorf tenafie ema Borussia Mönchengladbach ebe try the 4-1 FC Cologne tenafie Biamuntin kwashane 4-1 Robert Lewandowski Kingsley Coman enafe Serge Gnabry wanonso etme bo 2 goals Union Berlin tenafie Bayer Leverkusen eko try 3-2 enafe Mainz 05 wom anshe Schalke enso entme anshe Bayern Eli D46 RB Leipzig tosmen 45 Dortmund tosmen 42 points Austria Borussia Mönchengladbach tosmen 9 wom so 42 points French Le Championnat Amiens Sanano wom etme betike 3 goal lead in the first half PSG in the second half no ebetete kashe emani 4-3 in second back enso yadwuma yehu ya na Amiens fana sa kwateka ema game no ekoye 4-4 na Anda Herrera Abrantia France Kwasi won eshe 2 goals ena fe Maro Icardi enso ba kus AP so Jerondi de Bordeaux ene Dion Botutu Tulu etrefie my OG Sinis ebe trying 2-0 Bobo Conference Lu trefie ema Marseille be trying 2-1 Monaco eshe 1 ema Montpellier France Saint-Germain make us a PSG LED wom ekura 62 points Olympic Marseille tosmeno wom so ekura 52 points into a 10 points difference and a separate PSG and Olympic Marseille bobokono Reni enso tosmiensa wom ekura 41 and a febobo quantity at the Lille etoso 9 wom ekura 40 points bibia enso ekwa kama make us still yes streaming live on Facebook bibia so demo kama ntana pay won so betina join feed ne kama bra ya the foreign news no at the air to make us say insure 104.5 won so kwa uko follow show no na bibia so tma ya kama na ya de match senso ato no mamenka o sana pesa wutie a we ya bema o yoba wutum sa wudun so wo problem ni nyina ay Rocket Clinic Limited wom akati na make am frem o wonum sa Rocket Clinic Limited wom ena kofa van capsules enso adiaba Johnson pay miss o ya bema wudun so burning sensations wutum sa mpa wote ya e wudun so madasa o bema no wote ya wom wo yoba won so wudun so wutum se na enso bi frechire pa dia pampa bi so timi wom ana se obi a wudun so sope Johnson de so jira no na se bibia so besina kwa kama wudun so cap me ba choti e van capsules e VEND and American for enso de mo bia we energy some so part minum bi sound so na bema enso betia no van capsules to be na bema se wonum hia wonum se drop bema bia de Valentine your friend Rockman Pakum capsules and ana bema bia so GB esanse Valentine we se woni pakuma wo be be kasa na wa yawa esanse de tense de pakum no and any drop bema say be a sexual weakness and ebe tumi to ase kama de ma male impotency and unso etu ase wo de na koye premature ejaculation not just a bema wonso hota sane wontama jarema katro me say e pakum capsules no wonya be a premature ejaculation no enkoba se bia brofo na dent no na wo de akwakoto obedin wo ye bema low sperm count wonya pakum ne bia and unso betnya bo akama pakum wo se mimpo minso meni o Rocket Clinic Limited e wo aye alaba na sa bobu station sikio house ni fie opposite won sabe come sanso and enkranfo no mo kwa dental point junction ye ne care TV and what the same building but also open air Rocker woman number ni 0244 18 3230 0244 18 3230 won sa enso etnya kabi na bibia so ya kama enso dia ma o na no pema menka se mi fanchire wate wonim yek expert air roofing bibato se bia nyankopo ato nsem watnya ma atwe kukuru fie dia se o e bia hotel bi na wusi ana se bia wusi e warehouse bi wusi hostel na open roofing sheets papa enso dia kusodia bibato e yek expert air roofing and American for them obi adino e yek we ene dwumade kase mo so be pie kumase se dia obi anso agi o matum wunum se wo ba yeka ya ye adwuma more than 20 years e ban chance da papa wudi kuru wodan so sanso unim adere se na do bia wom asa kofa ba dia ditwem en kanese da do ne bi on ma wode bobo chance da ni ma dia be no ana se bia bedi be se 2 years utum sansa pass ensu oto a na se ensu asa se wura wodan mo pato upim e we yek expert e roofing a pato na do na makofa ba no we e papa e sanso ye quality e original enti e yek Jack Expert Roofing and American Freedom of Shannon so Yakofa long span at Yapa the RBR sounds so that Aero Towers no there are different types and different color sizes no the Nina be answered Yapa Woodward Eltremo Jack Expert Roofing into contractors now moving for no but on men ton chance na bia won't mean fan Tirakwa but ton chance will be Tirakwa to say oh jare mu fie no oh man chance na first what ya ha nessa won't would fie no sweat match din kama ni nyina so benya bia I just say Jack Expert Roofing wom ada make come for them all me sin chance na papa no ye anya akwakofa ba na upa ye ne ye engineers ye kwaya site management na dia ma ye no kapre ba what ya say na when anya sim kato akra just say Jack Expert Roofing any bet me this adwano enso dem so pe kira kwan ye wo atonso monako ba bia friends Presby Johnson ye Ben Swaka beto wo friends 0545 338620 0545 338620 dum sen chance na libo no so unya na the crew dan so a enwo hia kra se bia bebo fan ana se bia bebo ace what ya se we no enu ankasa etimi cool dem wo kama utum sampada bia temperature no enu nso ye kama ben kwaje chance ra ya ewia ba utum sampa wuntimi ntena dem wo wupiem e wo Jack Expert ye bema oni nyina bi kama na wo wie no na obomade awuram e wo Curtain Plaza na fe original curtains no won so akwaje wo de me curtains no wo de air fabric ben ana wo pe type ben wo pe color ben design ben na wo pe but mo pretty hotels institutions akase offices akase students estate officers no interior air designers sounds on home owners me ba to take air curtains amunyina mo kwaje no de mo den na mo mpiem e wo Curtain Plaza essence ho na won sabetnya kabia wo ba original ones no ya the air mount wa bra wunya ha bia so akire wo the design officer da bia e look beautiful what you say sounds how the design hall and I say bia na utun sampanichi enso atnya ba to Curtain Plaza ye wo adum sounds na daban enu ati pampas kumase for no sounds na fe takra de oboase wo kwa won sabeka bi enu ati enkran wudru e hato East Lekona wudome adabraka na fe sprinters ubenya Curtain Plaza ye number ne 0202 27 1011 0202 27 1011 won sabeka Curtain Plaza na fe curtains no won so atimi ajibe mamenke ose Franco Trading Enterprise the home of quality phones and computers mankelto sana pese bia wo pe Samsung wo pe Nokia Itel wo pe Tecno Infinix Huawei akato SC Janase Apple phones no ese hona me kwana makwakoto phone nso dia mejare esa se jare fure kura na nse no enshara nya papa bia sa wo ba friend na dumo send the video kura na sentimenka won news phone papa makache jare se Franco Trading Enterprise ho ena makam for dem no wo kwa ne sabeka phone se ni bo so sa deform kama entiminim de watching enu achi wo pe television wo pe SNS Skyworth Asano wo kwa wo benya bia enu achi mo pe accessories be at hard drives transit Toshiba Seagate memory card pen drives smart watches car chargers phone air chargers Samsung all types of earphone cases any protectors upe power bands cables Wi-Fi any Bluetooth no ni nyina upiemo e wo Franco Trading won sabeka bia dum ya wo branches no makoma ko enumtie wudru Babu Bazaar building adjacent Ejaba house Samsung next to YFM office enu achi opposite Malcolm Wadum opposite Prudential Bank adum and afi opposite Eco Floor Clinic ewadum won sabeka Franco Trading enu achi no upiem ewo KO asa woni kire empty office no wo benya e Franco Trading Enterprise mpani for pay se wo kwana akoto e phones ye ma e free t-shirt what the free sabri e ko se bobo 2 pm no ye de cho ye number no 0245 316969 0245 316969 won sabeka Franco Trading Enterprise na bibia so tena ye kama enso de ama ma men fan samina kakran fambra still ye da so e stream e wo Facebook jareme the videos ni bi di ma no nemum e jarema ka to se ne phone nya papa ni nyina ye wia me make so se videos no ye be san so dia to Facebook live won so betime nya person se videos e ba no pe no anu o shibru tenten pay won so betime ko join feed no live e wo Facebook in Shira 104.5 na won so etime bi na the ten sense ten no after some Madrid etime fie e bo 22 no e no panye friends se ten ko focus na wo papa we pa abrantia friends se Philan Menti so wo de ne games na what me defend very well e wo benkuma fast was how the Marcelo Benjamin as Marcelo defensively wo ma Madrid enso ye week openye friends Zidane was enya no credit sa Prantier friends Marcelo no dead defensively wo ma Madrid enso ye week enya no credit was no Madrid goals so mo consider the mubia no ma wo be blame Prantier friends Marcelo and openye friends Zidane what the sense no wo timedo to we ye and no say Prantier friends Hazard so no wo born about so since November na sa Prantier friends Hazard no and first time time was ya kind Edema Madrid team no open Francis Zidane etme Borana Basano action so Prantier France Hazard no and a winning penalty Edema Madrid team na Prantier France Ramos one also converted one kama and a dear to the Prantier France Hazard no one kasa after the game was in any 8 minutes when the performance name results by say 2 to the nani enso ntimi anyo and I am feel by doing some no yet for e wo tumadi no so na mame nkopie mo e wo panya France Antonio Conte one and a quarter ma Inter Boboko no na almost over the weekend will lose 2-1 edit Lazio team no am say we are to the national Lazio about between the free second position na Antonio Conte CM Fantuja was enranes Inter performance no na ye nemum wo did say Inter wo mo so timi gifted 2 goals and the man Lazio was Lazio for na shida mo be nemum Inter for na kasa and a shada koyo mo se for Christmas wo mo so ko che goals e Lazio etime take sa chances no and ayo penya ne dim e Antonio Conte sama won enso dia tuja na mame nkopie mo e Manchester United head coach ne dinya di Ole Gunnar Solskjaer makato se nanwumre wo piem e Stamford Bridge on Chelsea game no and of e paso na Ole Gunnar Solskjaer wo se yen kamu obiante Prantier France Odion Gallo se nyame atom unum se akode se ya de alone and wobo e de Manchester na according to coach France Ole Gunnar Solskjaer wo se yen fan to jamo obiante e nyame atom na Prantier team e de Odion Gallo wo tin e impressia ni London no wo betia we kini permanent e de Manchester United boboko no and e de manager no won enso di tucha na Carlos Puyol where former player e de FC Barcelona ye kobusa so penje say football no wie ya che na ya won so beti say Obi Xavi and after Iniesta when you into coaching and now you have Frank Lampard retire no wa be coach or coach Barcelona Steven Gerrard and so retire and say we coach will be to Mikel Arteta retire enche one also coach Arsenal open your friends Puyol he say coach no dey na kwa say according to Puyol was say there e ban coach in competition it draws until no ade ba ko person so no person into sports and as a sporting directorship or person be sporting director dan say bia wo betimi ayo coach so coaching what person be sporting director na time bia no what me identify players no what me assign players on the teams no what professor bet me recommend players e dia ma coaches dan say bia one no be coach e san say o si coach no e say dia competition so to me so and I so penya anything e dey Puyol one so dey atuga na e say Manchester City one so UEFA ban the dom so no openya friends Alexander Del Piero one a legend e dey ma Juve team no was Sydney is now what tie dey ogiri sampa se Juve for mo mani break akrabia openye friends yeah Pep Guardiola mo sabetumi aka no na o se ontimi imagine se bia na nka Pep Guardiola ejina touchline edima Juve o se ampa enko bia be hu Juventus team no enka Champions League mo pay o mo so sabetumi aka be o se openye ba Juve bono enso betumi se sakama and a legend your friends Alexander Del Piero Samoa one so dia tuja no openye friends Steve Goran Eriksson was saying kamu bia anti Liverpool team na dia ba ko a o mo so aya right and say we mo koto Prantier friends Virgil van Dijk was Van Dijk Liverpool for koto no and no and I had the magic at the Liverpool team no and I open your friends Steve Goran Eriksson Samoa one so dia tuja na shene so sa wachina UEFA Champions League no e sound so bounce back make us a big matter back ko e tuja wachina no e Wanda Metropolitano abrat let's come at better fee any Liverpool dia pempem so na Prantier friends Joe Gomez was a game Liverpool e course underdogs and I some penino one so dia tuja na Prantier friends Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang no wotimia boko edema Arsenal team no was and Prantier friends Mikel Arteta was Arsenal e feel better mo bobo na wo mo feel comfortable wa bo penino ba so se philosophy no e bo Arsenal e ma se players no wo bia nso wadwuma e wo so no so timi ye and I some penino one so dia tuja wo reference Luis Figo wa bo Manchester United bobo kona ba so ni ngale se o se nei Manchester e vision mo nya ya wo mo kofa Prantier friends Bruno Fernandes no what did say a goodbye and a Manchester for wo mo nso etime na Prantier friends Bruno Fernandes ebe bo Manchester United team ne paye and ayo Prantier friends Figo nsama what dia to make out to pen so Prantier friends as Venga bobo ko friends Reni on person be a club president yes Venga e decline sa e approach no and ready for the paye o se there be on person be a club president and e dey free Mr Venga go no so e be dey won sem no yet e metie for me this Prantier na say Ghana Ghana near friends say Mohamed S. Salis Osiakan Edma Real Valladolid way defender say clubs near Jones say latest club omo so etime ba no Atletico Madrid so pa branch no unim say earlier na say Manchester United any other clubs and so happen say Atletico Madrid fon so etime join ya omo say branch friends say Mohamed Salisu omo so sabet nya ka no eno die free about Georgian club Liverpool coach was Scudetto title na say Chelsea no na di akire na ono de empa ebonyan sanke be and this Scudetto no anas Italian league no net my friends say Lazio na nkoma win title and ebu san say na denti what me declare supported man Lazio was it Liverpool our former player ho a brand friends say Lucas Leiva wa be boy ma de man Liverpool na is all compete e was Scudetto no so na Lazio na compete a ehun be yan so betime tro ne support and so dem opinion no and smart Georgian club so no etim area to go no pedo nsem no ya demet for Chelsea former coach your friends root Gullet or CM Fantuja say opinion friends Pep Guardiola free Manchester United and Man City was also bien so timiti as say we be to Pep on timina 2 years wa bra ni team emo Champions League to opinion kwa understandable say we are seeing that team say and the opinion so dia no Gary Bill and so kwa ye tackle be on a branch friends Rafinha Cantara na Celta Vigo coach friends Oscar Garcia was when senka Atletico and as Celta Vigo wo mu player na kwa sa tackle na ko nim de nke be sia o park ne so and opinion so nsem kakra what media to get one sem no yet busu for say Barca wo twen ene dia Spanish Federation as we stay bia a branch the thing Ousmane Dembele Barca ebetia replace na report na eba and say branch na bako na no Barca game against Tefi one etme share one ko Enho Rodriguez senka Barca ne nkomo say branch no sabetia kan nemo me na no pa Mirror Studios me check it rema Leganis Bobokon ewa Denmark ni be friend say Martin Christiansen yes ye ne wono any player say Barca for no say koba say na penifort make sampa Barca ebetia to player edna replace a branch friends Ousmane Dembele sa kwa no Martin Christiansen and a team friends Barcelona wo mo so be kwa fa no free Leganis Bobokon and for Brazilian legend friends Cafu was say we him say branch the team and so at Trent Alexander-Arnold wo betia te Ballon d'Or sanse ne bona opa na no hye eno Cafu nsɛm Wano enso media to only Ghana social saying kwafo kase bia say Manchester for qualify for Champions League and kwafo no omuntimi attract a big name players so sinya no kre without a Champions League in Manchester United Manchester players no enso betia pa Manchester Arsenal enso Ajax defender friends Dele Blend and a reporter me say can na jama wudum say a brand friends Sergio Ramos say since Ronaldo comes on the bomb penalties this since Ronaldo no Ramos about 12 penalties in the Madrid ni nyina no wetimi to atana eno die fi opinion no wono nso akachi ba make us matches no say UEFA Champions League sound so bounce back na a bet way na make come for them we number one betting company no me pato no say bet way die yepe and a yema chance we betia boost to multi a bet winnings no up by 100% into me pato very simple and wanna say we call www.betway.com.gh now nso tina ko bet kama sika bebre nso betia dina de kakra bi enso de aguso ade achi ane enso betena say near ya announcement near Jeremiah streaming the camera now work and shoot pictures near ya announcement and so the man enti chabo etno F3 Betway uni 18 years wunti en bet be Betway was a bet your way for the love of the game bibia so be camera and so the amount sound so no pema memfa toja a guarantee trust bank GT Bank makatro who be enso akodija who be enso di usika akoto who be no mama ye business and a GT Bank and American for them who say GT Bank they say the mobile banking dia pa sound so na dia digital banking no enya they say bia wo first council dia shobotombo now the nam na say yanom enso timi ahia okwam tabi dia bet you that say we no GT Bank adaroma wo mo so makofa GT Bank Mastercard ne dia pa wunya bi na shobotombo usika nyina enso go so we nya de so bia enso ba yiro abana so bia ba chechero enso aju usika GT Bank wo mo so Mastercard ne fa wojin na kwajo de dia mobile phone so pese wonya bi na for free or for a Mastercard nibia number one so punche na fi wanya Mastercard nibi no star 737 star 700 hash star 737 star 700 hash na fi one so tmenya GT Bank wo mun so Mastercard nibi for free baby we no ye betia deliver na kama enso de ma se open chirima odo a number wo friend is 0302 611 560 0302 611 0560 wonsa ebetimi aka GT Bank campaign for GT Bank ada was wooden truata bank with us any juma na bibia so nya kama emfama nemo let's go mama fa twa no person wo timinka na o person o baby enso du sika akoto o person o kwate bosia na o de tretre wa hye bia wo pe salaries lona ade onso be da bi de free let's go savings salons akache wunim se enka ne e free AFB Ghana say ya rebrand ye ho your friends let's go savings salons na peme so de bra wo pe individual and as a corporate investment ropa ye bi enso de ma kama so be piemo e wo Ghana let's go ye over 2 million air customers ye ni omo boy ma ye mfa obi asika nida ye boy ma kase anya asem keto a e say let's go Ghana fo nyina enso atimi age atum sampa wo pe ye company bi no manage usika enso de ma wa just let's go savings salons ene be ye ne kama enso de ma so pe ya ye kire kwan asafo snitch office no ye no mo na ye opposite sanso and I would do bantama dia Silver Crest Air building no won sabe kan let's go savings salons ya no afre 0570-494-016 0570-494-016 won sabe kan let's go savings salons na bibia so etme kama and so dem sounds na True Vine Hotel maka cho sa ho na mobile town be ba cho so ope baby amada na omatime de dia fili kama wutunu se ope serene environment na ope baby atmosphere air conducive and a True Vine Hotel and American for them all na they say True Vine de aka cho se nei wo pese wo didi Philippa wo de office na pese wo delivery near de brewa 15 Ghana cedi pe de won piaska bia fan ka ho we no True Vine Hotel and American for enso edia mo bia no pese bia local and afi continental dishes no wupiemu enso ewo True Vine Hotel wonsa enso ebetimi akemena fi bia so teme kama enso edia ma me pato wupiem ewo True Vine Hotel ye wo big air permanent stage and name mo pese mo ye shows no mo betimi be sanso na big air swimming pool wo betimi adware fili kema sanso and rooms no so de jaye duchem ebi ni kroma say entini nyina True Vine Hotel so baby no akoye conference True Vine Hotel and I recommend and so diamana bibia so etme kama diamana so do ni kira ahoju nhyae so ye ben ahoju runabout won sebeka True Vine Hotel ye number no 0205-322-331 0205-322-331 won sebeka True Vine Hotel na bibia so etme kama pa and so etme diamana to mataro man pay atran konyama ye the Monday edition of the Power Sports and celebrity for on this note na ye just na fin sem de name make it was a Barca likely some best player report I make say a brand friends Martin Christiansen like an player no Barca omo yam mo set me aka branch say bibian so guso so kama bibian so no kamantino serious yet ma mention na ba Power Sports platforms no so no omo monitor show ni pa Frank
me da say Andy but before so be kono onim say Kennedy digital satellite so anopay ma yenka tie for say open home appliances and say electronics atwa na se woko Kennedy digital satellite so on sebeke bibi ti se ebia TV blender kettle rice cooker ne TV sahodo standing fan ceiling fan woko Kennedy digital satellite so ya or the 24 inches aba ne bo eye 449 Ghana cedis and 32 inches in so no what dey 549 but se wo pebia tu akwa akoton a what be ma 519 40 inches in so no e ko 899 and 43 inches in so no what be ma 999 eti na chese okọ Kennedy aso ya normal we nyina no nsusu nsa ebetimi anye akabi eti mesro okọ a semri kan to dwane open the best fufu pounding machine okọ Kennedy digital satellite aso obenya bi sanso na CCTV cameras ne ade abanjuma efo nyina mo pe laptops ne air conditioners and need microwave ne deep freezers ne ade abanjuma efo nso se mo da affordability package so anasa o salary efa controller an accountant general department officer say ode pay slip ne kwa obema flexible payment plan the flexible payment plan bema na onso wetimi age no mani nyina na open cha kwan ko dum baby a family plaza one first floor store number 21 and store number 22 and as odwani enso ekere patase patase main street no udu main street ne so Adom House si kwan no ho unsa Adom House ne mu and na nsabeka Kennedy digital satellite number ne 0244 385128 0244385128 to first number na onsa ebeka Uncle Ken nanso watimi akwa Jodi India Andy say and a Monday night football Monday night football between Chelsea and Manchester United
yes.
Stamford Bridge all right but you say oko efijasa so Korea Tree is Life Foundation omo e the games bi be hye so ho na de tie ne say sa games un say first ade na fe no ampe no is oma bro fly omo say friend jikwa ntinyame ya doma ombe ye ho prelims ne ade o ewo fija sokore ho na ombeto ware ombeto dame aso nyina ombe bi o se sa growi na yetete agro na so mpeso me rebrand no na fija sokore ho ye de nti prelims no to finance 17 February to 4th of March 2020 ombe float in health work ne ade nyina ho French quiz nyina be koso ho etinyame adoma dwumadie mo fija asokore de efi nyame adoma enne dwue ekosi 4th of March ne de na chese ho enya asem ketua na ejosu municipal baby Ben municipal sechere south ne sechere central ne sechere east ne fijase awomo ene host no bibia be koso ho kama
na me sorry but Chelsea ne Man U game ne ba so nyumre no probable lineups no ma me fantwim sisi Saka akubi credible one bipa na likely second pa best start obenya ne number 1 spot ne de ma Chelsea Reece James ebetime ginum bisan so ena Fikayo Tomori wono ena fi Antonio Rudiger na fi Abrantier friends Cisse Aspilicueta ewe chino finfi ono ebenya Jorginho N'Golo Kante ena fi uba enimo kakra na se William Mason Mount Abrantier friends Hobson-Odoi ena fi Mishi Batshuayi likely so mo ena best start for Chelsea sounds from Manchester as usual goalkeeper David De Gea Quintana Luke Shaw Harry Maguire Victor Nelson Lindelof Aaron Wan-Bissaka Fred Nemanja Matic Mason Greenwood Bruno Fernandes Daniel James and afi Anthony Martial like say our players we and a best start here nanumre say be piansa for the two clubs and yasem keke
okay and me da say obi wa ha enno na ye obi birthday enno te obi nka
enno babia na say ye hwe bia ye be hwe say ensa beka obi no enno fa bia wu no
and ye be hwe birthday ne ye na AMG Sikaba dry power so Manchester United is winning tonight so would say United the United Bobo United forever I know a message Edin Kanya Ed Abana Edu Kaku Fabrice or say Pep should stay there because he's the cause of all that. He like buying too much. Where is he running to? Fire burn him. I know a message on also by Mohamed Tahiru. Also glory Manchester United. Asuman Marshall Andrews. Also Manchester United is going to win tonight by 2-1. Okay. And now Robert Komala Apakla, okay. Oshinsha Power Sports, you are the best. My team, Manchester United, is winning today. Ruben Nana Bedia to Amos. United will sacrifice Chelsea tonight. Crucial Kiedu, also so Facebook Live nibi. Edit day. Also happy birthday to Obi. I know him at Katanga Hall. Very humble guy. God bless you, bro. But Obi birthday na ye enna. Into a belated happy birthday. Chenebua Kodia Steven. Also I'm TK Steven watching live from Insuta Ashanti. United 2, Chelsea 0. Prince Ofori. Or say I'm Papa Villa watching you from Seshi also. Or say in fact you people are too much. Keep the fire burning. But Chelsea will beat Manchester United by 4-1. Felix Kwakuche. Hello Kwaku. You're driving a VIP bus. Hello Kwaku. Banyan NTS also monitor show. Maybe will be a mention. Felix Kwakuche was say aka Grandpa Makum. Also I'm confused and I want today's date. Anyway, my darling club Chelsea will win by 3-1 against Manchester United. Erica Kosa and the date is 17th. Okay. Erica Kosa say or her live from London. And Ben Opoku Ampoma was a good morning. I'm watching live from Mönchengladbach, Germany. Daniel Akozu. Okay, Daniel Agozu. I say, please, good morning to you all. I say, I'm listening to you inside Edubiase. Chelsea 2, Manchester United 0. Salam Abdul. Also here live from Germany. All right. And my messages with George Odum, the Boris. I say, Manchester United will Wyomize the Blues. Okay. And also, the Nana Kojo Francis Kusi. Also, what frequency are you using in Accra? Maybe Accra, dear. This OTA on the tuning and now say be a Facebook Live na on the Multi TV channel. Or boy Shanton also here live from US of Maryland and also yes Medu Maryland idea. Na mentia Sam Tuga and so Maryland. Nana Kojo okay makan odi Mpiani Peter also OTA live from Aqua Safari. In Ada also you are doing a great job. Yeah, I say Champion Deco was watching you live. Savannah region and Aguta Venom. Also, my first time watching you guys, I'm very happy. Yeah, that's it. Say also say odo die ede ababat sebia opeso odo die ba obefa Facebook. Koko Facebook a wo die nyina say obehwehwe Insha 104.5 FM. Munya hu page na wa like page ne dia mayen. Wo wie pe yesra wo live video na egu ani padom gu so mu hwe bi no na onso so watimi a share wo die fefe sa. Hello Nana Juma, no say good morning. Adriana Stars would also Adriana Stars disgraced me yesterday. Ken Douglas from Luton inside London. All right, Ken. Mate menya message na menhwe the very last one na mema Obi tries Emra say this is Tijani Ibrahim from BBC Yamwa. As a phobia, we are working and doing hard this season to become champions in the 2020 Insha FM no size. Yeda say Kwabena Oben FA Obi tries is seated. We mean the birthday man and I come.
Belated birthday.
Okay, and a belated happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Nana.
But there is Serenity say BBN HRB.
Oh,
send my young into Nelson Yedi. Don't know young.
Birthday class in your BY in a Obi, I can smell today's your birthday.
Weekend we are in Casano. Send your Ura Kwame despite in the back end of the year. Could be a party behind the party Yamani Sony Penny. Kakane or no.
My God.
What is a new Unibia and show why you did? I show why you did. Kwame despite Mona or we are party.
On a show.
The woman party.
That's wedding. Have Facebook, have pictures, videos, and pictures. I want to log out. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Need to be yeah. But when I guess now for pressure,
pressure be any. So wow, pressure now you be now.
Oh yeah. You busa say na me papa friend say. So we'll be about okay, we'll be and Monday Night Football. Yeah,
absolutely, but yes, but weekend now I was here monitor Serie A and La Liga and senior league tables next year. It makes for interesting reading because Serie A Juventus 57 plus 23 goals, Lazio Alberto Sumino 56 plus 34 goals, Inter 54 plus 27 goals. Lazio team where the last time I'm winning Serie A was in 2000, the days of Marcelo Salas and Diego Simeone, Steve Grant Eriksson and they handles our team, a side that not just a GDA Shedanim. Say ye ka team a on betumi a compete because last season omo etoso wotwe de tumi bo omo wura Europe no Coppa Italia no omo etumi share no and the hard dream plan is omo Sansulusu Milan Badad any Abrante Fano Pedro Neto ko Wolverhampton Wanderers and team otoso wotwe winning Coppa Italia no. Yes, we knew said there could be a certain level of progression under Simeone Inzaghi, but senior 9-10 Juventus no Fiorentina AC Milan no mushisheba no na your analysis now on fa team with friend Lazio nka the slightest another the slightest chance out the momo and it's on be moving from the 8th position to possibly the 6th position but the omo year this season no ya there back one I was say you need ekon na ebo mabaso almost spending close like 37 million euros on 2 key players Dennis Varo from is no Bundesliga nim and omo branch friend Manuel Lazari from Spa. That was about 11 million euros. Sam Rantie we abekan Luis Alberto Cheviasia Fananya say creative midfielders and advanced playmakers and attacking midfielders so we asia to me more top 5 enya branch of Luis Alberto ADM film of course Chiro Immobile so obianim unfortunately the Dortmund and shut down farm but reputation or a world class striker and Enra Milenkovic Savic Modric as well Victoria and Adebayo kakra Lazio for us. So those are the best guys or more team friend your friend SS Lazio Adam Moric Senad Lulic and Rakra no quite to me and Siakama Johnny Neberry place so in fact it's an all-round side that Osha last season performance now they compare this. In fact last season first 2 games Omulusu to Napoli and Juventus. This season first 2 games Omu winning one against AS Roma and Omu draw against Napoli. Last season after the first 2 games Omulusu to Omu draw to Napoli and Juventus. Omu 9 wins in a row. This season after the first 2 games Omu win 5 wins 2 draws and of course 2 losses and Omu 5 draws esa 2 asa 9 wins last season Omu and this season from week 6 to week 24 in the Italian Serie A Omu akọ all wins just 2 draws. And the opinion Simeone in terms of consistency Simeone Inzaghi Lazio na boboku oni omu wie as the footballer and omu di realm omu under U19 U20 and somewhere in 2010 on your opportunity 2016 on your opportunity so also Jumedem as a first of all a caretaker coach then because later also at the full-time manager and the results your results are a sort of consistency manager na baho on says Kabebre. The total valuation of this Lazio side is around 320 million euros but results are because washe Juve washe Milan called one was San Siro Kosheno washe Napoli washe Inter Milan enra the aka onimno Genoa or Sanso Atlanta was so ni team friend Fiorentina Bowo Atiemo Frankie no Sanso ni Torino esi akan and Sana AC Milan. So to me good run of results was how can say we more ebetumi aboa ne papa ye. Of course enra say we game na ade ba kwa obesua from the tactical perspective no the 3-5-2 formation 3-5-2 no ade opanya friend no Simeone Inzaghi ane Antonio Conte no nyina no omo ayusu sa style of formation no and some obetumi ayusu sa 3-5 also wing backs no omo modimo so aniti and no bit say Ashley Young. I was really surprised Sanya Branche na Juma Din or the right wing and the left wing of team friend Inter Milan omo team and o share goal or share na ube here of course na a counter and no breaking corner anymore o to me enya sa goal no unya sa wing backs no mo modimo so anina no enya 2 center backs on back cover wing backs in case on back come machi and it's say counter formation so we stop it counter and now we initiate counter no or 3 center backs or more and your Diego Godin more Milan Skriniar Inter Milan Sanso Abrante friend Stefan Divra Miensano center backs Miensano and was a back who ball pass papa ye into call Lazio Asoya Francisco Asebe and to me pass ball no papa Inter Swansea Stefan Divra did an amazing job yesterday but Nina Muno I was only 2 center forwards or more anymore Lukaku and Abrante your friend Lutero and of course Lazio also no more Felipe Salcido and Abrante friend Ciro Immobile almost cancel which is a similar formation but a certain element of quality Osha goal Abrante friend Milenkovic total performance of Milenkovic Savic Osha the performance of goalkeeper Trakoshki Trakosha the 24-year-old goalkeeper for team friend Lazio Osha bit Johnny send you see provided crosses no into the box of Inter. It was a game where now it was certain say Lazio for to me that lead beyond there omo able to make maximum points no and Simeone Inzaghi did a brilliant job change his score no Ode Lazari Bem Ode Joachim Correa Bem in fact Inter for changes somewhere now Victor Moses Eriksen Osanso the Alexis Sanchez Bem virtually no impact and the senior Lazio dominating midfield no defensively they were amazing and a result ama Serie A numno utim sampa competition eba and we wait to see what happen in the subsequent days. The Serie A is very very interesting. For the Spanish Primera Liga near himself Man City for weekend the brony friend financial doping omo edisika anyho edi ewuro mu dwumadiem ama yetumi amomo band of course omo the opportunity to appeal na ye hwe ni mu say sign na openya friend Pep Guardiola betumi atumi ama mrantie na dwi no masan agyina ne nan so ma modemo no tumi akọ nanim na wo say Real Madrid and Celta Vigo si akan yenim say Celta Vigo crowd here yes they play very good football but senya na Real Madrid run na si akọ no ne yenim say eden a betumi afa results but omo dia branch be Fedor Smolov and to be very frank with you senya Ramos ne Marcelo and Rafael Varane because we share small of first goal no share na say baby Marcelo nam baby branch friend Ramos no gina baby branch friend Varane so gina no na gaps no so do ema Igor Aspas at the ball no etum ema Real Madrid the corner him and I was impressed with the performance of Joseph Edu yeah sure so even later on in the second half Oscar Garcia man the ball number 2 position you know Real Madrid brave but in the second half no team say na movements na koso unim say Real Madrid ball in Pempi no so benya chance if we flank so into on the left you had Marcelo, Eden Hazard, Karim Benzema, on the right you had Carvajal, Federico Valverde and your branch friend Gareth Bale into chances no in the second half movements and Toni Kroos said brilliant equalizer so by and it just some kakra no performance nim say because you say after weekend fixtures here because Real Madrid call Levante and Sana Clasico net baso and it just some kakra say Eden Hazard bem kakra no buy no you be fan side because so what na future be 82 days into was so new opportunity to play Gareth Bale na just a ball no yes generally Monday morning na too bad but you can't find the passion in him again and Zidane dey be okaso in central for no more bontin e pass ma Bale ni boboko no but no there problem be any I think say was a Bale sunya a bit of consistency so nya games to us me sure so be improve but no there it was one of those bad days in the office Luka Modric introduction also no lose a bit of steel or central midfielder they fail on Mandy Bem Mane the ball alongside Marcelo on the left wing on Vinicius to play on the right in my estimation was another decision Openier friend Zinedine Zidane got it wrong but credit to Celta Vigo especially very technical players such as Rafinha, Igor Aspas, Denis Suarez, Santimina and equalizing goal no time by no any send a true pass no from Denis Biana Ramos no could see say was yes you say Real Madrid didn't concede goals be this season but in Rano I could suspect certain elements of complacency especially in terms of Omudis defensive position and Marcelo Suchere say yes attacking wise equalizing goal on or passing ball on a great assist for Toni Kroos but defensively no on my Ramos bread because name Pempi was say Ramos share space awaja I'm a team friend in Real Madrid very disappointing results sorry as a Madridista only too confident because after Levante El Clasico you be call Villamarin against Real Betis na Bana Valencia very tough because I was thinking say against Celta Vigo there now was say maximum points but the reaction of Zidane was good post game no one chair you know any sign of panicking but credit to Celta Vigo and I think someone who said the difference between sometimes the champions and teams or modern so any teams are or modern form no for example Celta Vigo even on draw no or so edun so La Liga table no so it now was so munya results so much Sevilla last weekend last 2 weekends no masasha or munya draw Benabao I hope say results your manya lift your moral finally to me can go a branch of friend Sadio Mane share no against Norwich and maybe that's the signature and the stamp to an incredible season for team of friend Liverpool. The pass from Jordan Henderson the finish from Salah from Mane control 10 balance agility qualities are all free striker beer our penalty box ni mubiano Sadio Mane actually and you can always be proud as an African and not just Sadio Mane's performance Naby Keita generally and moving into the critical stages of the season you know Akabeli Obiano Enka Okrano 12 and now 14 games na Champions League when you have 6 or so games to women away when you have 6 games in general on all fronts maximum 25-28 games na ka season him and clearly shaping up for a team called Liverpool. It's either they are champions of England, which looks certain, and now they are champions of Europe. Almost swag, almost swerve, no, the bobo, no. no other team in Europe can stand them. And Senya Braboni City and Obi said Jordan Henderson says Jina central midfield. Now ye ka Mrantia Omujina central midfield Bobo pa dia. Now Jordan Henderson were improving so much, and shared the Champions League. No, now all team where the any all other football events.
All right, Kwabna Medase, but ye Benia Befi Ayala 2 minutes here. I did 11 a.m. Mame Famana here. I'm an ansem kakre bini emrefi.
Abra Ateta kopie mo Arsenal no. Ade ba kwa na chire majo ne say unya Spanish coach na oba Arsenal. I thought say Mrantia ba kwa na obe take the opportunity to shine while Arsenal will be Dani Ceballos. But oba na Mrantia no nya bimbo. Enra was in the first start under Arteta, and Arsenal won by 4-0 against Team FN in Newcastle. Me who line up there, me who say Lacazette bench, Dinketian LED the lines, Nicolas Pepe, Abranti FN Bukayo Saka again at left back because there are problems with injury to Kolas and Akane Thierry. I'm say okay, it's interesting how Arsenal could do holidays with Dubai Abba. Any the kind of lineup on the room, and maybe Amaka even in the past under coach I'll be coachy Arsenal make us say make us look, there is no Arsenal coach obetimi convince me say obetimi the best Arsenal starting 11 without a branch FN Mesut Ozil, and for Arsenal probably to have played their best half of the season against Newcastle and now Arsenal fans elbow Abranti FN Mesut Ozil abaso for the kind of game or boy any work ethics any other vindicate any look, forget about work rate you measure when say more bobo not everybody is involved in the player. There is no way the person will not tackle. And we've seen soft players on my Premier League because of the way our managers they've been very, very successful. And one of the major examples I Abranti FN David Silva of Team FN Manchester City. Inti untimin kancha say Mesut Ozil at Arsenal, the highest paid player. Say coach Ubaras also personally successful. You must play a way a bit suit Abranti, and I think say yes, against Newcastle. At the Emirates, and yet big opponent bia, and yet landmark kun bia betimi akasa or debe measure Mikel Arteta. But I think say it is one of the wins a bit boost your confidence ahead of the rest of the matches. When we say start season, Arsenal we need just 6 games, and that is very, very abysmal. Minim say omo mujidi say VAR no eba England no. The luckiest team by Liverpool. And Usho Mugo no Musha against Daniel Farke Mranti and Norwich now. I've watched it over and over again. Was there a push on Christoph Zellman? Because Osha Tama Henderson ball pass now. Who clearly said Christoph Christoph saw head the ball no. And there was a slight push on the cheek from Abranti FN Sadio Mane. And they afford the Abranti to miss the ball in the air. Sadio Mane control or ball no at what in him. Ebia probably other teams know we are very, very unlucky about this VAR now. And Kadago would have been cancelled by the VAR. But the story of Liverpool, he said, Omo boy, Omo performance in above Obia, and the performance seems to have brought them some lucky beer. VAR no overlook certain things with their team. And Abranti FN Sadio Mane came off the bench after long injury. Came to tell Liverpool for say he's very, very an impactful player. Last week, Kenami Busa said, in the English Premier League, the gap na Liverpool diamo Obiano. It is only prudent to say, yes, last season, and Liverpool in the G League, but the best player in the Premier League was Abranti FN Virgil van Dijk. But this season, no matter the performance or player ability, say Kevin De Bruyne, money I don't know. Abranti FN Jamie Vardy, and yet, so the way Liverpool as stage. Storm no Premier League in Suna. Yes, season for the best player of the Premier League out of the Liverpool team. Ever seen there? I'm still sampling opinions. Within the Liverpool setup so far in the Premier League, who has been their best player? Ebi Muse Money, Ebi Muse Trent Alexander-Arnold, Ebi Muse Abranti FN Jordan Henderson. But
I just want to play. Obi yi ne ho ebi kwase Mohamed Salah. Me yen se na hu play bi wo yi ne ho as the most outstanding player in the Liverpool team. Abaka say so far in the Premier League, he has been Liverpool's best player. And say Uyi Sabrante say he has been the most influential and Liverpool's best player. Then you must make the argument say then he must win the player of the season or England.
Okay.
Look, Barcelona force a more per striker because Ousmane Dembele pra. And that's La Liga. I'm running more who so betting me assign another striker. One of them Nantia Barcelona for likely some sign Brantia Fan and Rodriguez. Oban Outia Kama Getafe. And the opportunity for him to obey audition in front of Barcelona fans in a game against Barcelona this weekend. And Barcelona call Eshe 2 goals. Brantia Fan and Rodriguez. And Unya the only goal Getafe for share. And I think say Abrante took the advantage to tell Barcelona for fans and say, look, the reason why I'm among the short list of players at Barcelona for Epe to come and replace Dembele and say minim go share and minim ball and I came here and even say I cut down by 2-0, more dominated play. No, once I got my chance, I was able to take it. And AB, I know the best need the last message to Barcelona and Penny for say probably Abrante fan and Rodriguez and Abrante be made to me money at so it was a difficult game for Real Madrid and where time in now Santimina share second goal now. It was always going to be difficult. Say Madrid will be back into the game. Minim how a blow as I draw away ever presented to Team FN Real Madrid because a reducing points, to just 1 point. And I come 2 weeks na Air Clasico no Air Basso. And what Zinedine Zidane is a coach bia. Otimi saking the boys, just to move on from such painful draws, So there be a telling effect on them. But so where. The first pass now, Hugo has passed Edema, Abanti FM small official go now. I think say for a centre back pair of Ramos and Varane, any question mutimi for this space, and mutimi this pass, and Sheba Santimina go no share in the second half. There's nothing you can do about such pass, 2 passes in go through area. I think say for Barcelona fans they will be happy say Real Madrid are draw.
Is it 1 point different?
Yeah, 1 point different. And earlier this week Champions League started, and Matisse say Mbappe ne Neymar have been naming the Paris Saint-Germain squad number Kofi Dortmund. If you check on, I think the Champions League will be back and
yes, round 16.
You be running to the knockout stages. So near where they have been normal this year.
Me da say Bismarck also been payala and now telling can ya nua Daniel Suman ewa America Ohio. E ho na Daniel so tie show no na me messages ne kakra ne mrefi. Just call me Fanny B GH. You guys are doing a great job. I say God bless you guys. I'm doing the listening inside a Joshua China house. Yeah, I say Emmanuel Nkrumah was Manchester United all the way. And a Prince Ko Anane or say Obi, you are too much. Kineben was watching you live at Accra, Makola Mall. As you guys are doing a great job, and my prediction for tonight's game is Chelsea 2, Manchester United 0. Greetings to Givenchy Carlos at Offenso Kwapia. Okay. And Emmanuel Yamwa also here live from Kuwait. Emmanuel Nkrumah Makai message in dada. Muhammad Tahiru or say Obi, may Allah bless you with your presentation. And Paul Atta or say South Sports, you are too much. And for Evans or say I'm watching you live from PZ Tedum. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, me do PZ today. I mean chia boys nina Obi to say statesman and Big Marcus Winina. I mean chia or Mokubia Pia. Also good morning Nana. Also, Nana, good morning to you all. Obi, happy belated birthday. Nana, please, how many girls did you get in blah 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 massa? Oh, there be message you they mean to me kind. Or say, how many girls did you get in Valentine's Day? That's why I don't like you going to London. Please, London girls will let you settle, so please stay because you take the seat of BK Massa. O de ento aso ye mame message ni tia ne ento aso yenkom ewe eno a Ghana Premier League match day 10 games eno etimi to Ghana sha se Friday na Tachman 11 won the set na fi eche Kem Pfizer sha ne 2-1 Legon Cities Friday na so ne Accra Great Olympics e bo 1-1 na eno na no Saturday no o brekum ho na Victorian Adebayo Equire wonders Brekum Emma omo entire say Brekum Chelsea kamiensa Emma Brekum Chelsea timete kan ba ko enno so games akatoa so ewo Accra Sports Stadium na Accra so kan be Chem United 3-2 Phobia 3-2 Kotoko Ashgo there 0-0 Ebuso Dwarfs set na Cape Coast ene Karela United boy ma Dwarfs club reference Karela 2-1 and team my friend say media man so tenefi ema elimination score 2-1 Liberty Professionals so Carindro for tenefi ehye Aduana Stars 5-2 Wafa etna so ga kope any Dreams FC ball 0-0 say table no as gold ehura di kan 18 points kotokoto sumienu 18 points media ma toso 17 Aduana etoso 9-17 Bekum Chelsea etoso enum 17 Wafa toso 15 Hearts of Oak toso 7 Omo 15 8th position on Dreams FC Omo 14 Interlight toso 9 Omo 14 Elimina Sharks toso 10 Omo 14 Bechem United toso 11 Omo ewo 14 Sanso and Liberty Professionals toso 12 Omo ewo 13 Techima 11 Wonders toso 13 Omo so 13 points Accra Great Olympics toso 14 Omo 11 Legon City FC toso 15 Omo 11 Dwarfs toso 16 Omo 10 Karela toso 17 ewo 9 King Pfizer toso 18 Omo 4 and Go King Chattenon Victoria Adebayo ewo 10 Yaya Mohammed ewo 10 Prince Edu Kwabena ewo 7 ewo Bechem Osi Akadema Bechem United Benjamin Boateng ewo Elimina Sharks 6 goals also and Ibrahim Osman ewo Ken Pfizer also 6 goals afi Kofi Koji Esi Akadema Hearts of Folk one also ewo 5 goals we Ghana Premier League no said the table na ne ade enso esitie ne de honsem e de emam na fe yen konsem nim enno after Kumasa Sante Korokone as good game no coach Maxwell Konodu e de nsem e de to Ghana coach e kire mu se enno anoma nhyeda ankose de osi e planning
No. We couldn't, play as we wanted to. And I think it all started when we had Blay taken out of the squad before even warm-up. It was unfortunate we lost him, but we thought others could, stand in and play as Blay has been doing. But things couldn't work as we planned.
Alright, and here some coach Maxwell Konodu edi etu dwa na se o se de aduru no ombe hia om supporters no e wo mo home matches se de be ya om so betimi awene on matches wo fie
to shekasa and okre I think say team bia no with your supporters no team no NCP team supporters ne dey team I think and then to some extent anchor supporters wo mo I think say nema a change kakra because it got to a time we needed that push. And we did push them from the dugout. But then, I think the supporters, noise, sometimes get the opponents confused in a way. So, I think that factor there, whether we like it or not, affected the team. But then, I say, never say supporters attack.
Alright, and yes, some coach Maxwell Konodu edi etu Ghana Maxwell enna Abrante fan William Opoku Mensa enna Abrante nya opportunity bia na osenka otimi to atnade makotoko ball abedi ne ho keeper da form pia boy nkakra sa makipa yi ede ne say ball no o say sa chance na nche ana Maxwell Konodu coach eyi ni film na yebusa coach die nti na sa time no yi Abrante ne de ya ne o stadium nyina de susu se Abrante na opportunity no say no ene ma coach ni ba de nti explanation na Maxwell Konodu de buy.
No, it was because he wasn't to instructions. First half, we started him from the left side, knowing very well the kind of style of player Kwayopokuno ebon the ball. That is why we put Kwayopoku Mensah there. The second half, we've watched us go over and over. We know them very well. And he said one error on the committee go, and it did happen, but we wasted it. We had the brightest chance also to make it 1-0, and I utilized the opportunity.
Okay, it's Maxwell Konodu nsema ode etudwa edefa branch feno William Opoku Mensah eno na eno as gold so head coach Steve Mambo ono so yebusa na say one kotoko be bokra na the motivation say
through their motivation is psychic. El Donko will tell you when you come to training, I'll tell you, calling them individually. When they are in their homes, I will be calling them individually, psyching them. Now, if you are coming to play Kotoko, if you play very well, you bring yourself up. So that's the motivation. It's nothing but the motivation. And then also the system of play, as compared to Liberty, was different from this system.
Okay, and yeah, some coach no so etudwa, but enra ye game no ye tweben as good president Dr. Kwaku Frimpong champion ye ne kodi nkomo and ye busa champions a champ na yate se as good supporters na fro se bra meeting and no man koyi wo mo se bra meeting na nka mo no ntena se na nka meeting na hodo nkoso nsem kan bi nkoso na ka team no wo mo nyina hwe kwan mefa so a team no ma nyina be koyi champions say as go supporters no mo friend no ebinom kom dibinom na nyom na be command ne say masa bra meeting David wo so wonu mom e na de ne sika botim ne ho bra etu wonu mom na so ofre mo so mo mra meeting
fans no ye obi o na comedy no obi o dwena duane obedi enti saa meeting no me and manko because I have to invite them, not them to invite me. The club is mine, it's not them. It doesn't belong to them, but they are supporting us, so it doesn't mean say they should command someone coach abobo no supporters akwa say any coach e meeting. It's unfair. I watch coach force extend your one year coach na kababa coach here. This is wrong. Oh, I did it I say kind of cry. No cry back up me. I don't fear anything, but the supporters it be a good, it be so a problem. And when I cartel I did be able to crowd away obey I am to go. What is wrong? I didn't have against me, nothing, because I'm doing the best and we are the best. What does it get argument now here? You don't have any argument.
All right, champion say omuni argument bia but yankwa man so yakoboase yene Al Hassan Abdul Rahman edin komo. Al Hassan, good morning. Hello. Hi. Al Hassan temenka. Al Hassan jina ye line mu nya jina ye. Otemenka. Hello. Okay, yen hwen se yebetimi ase nya ne bi na ode yen to ansem no so yen to ansem no so na enu yen sem a champion edi etudwabara no a game no so se awie ye no player friend se Christopher Nata Asante Kroko player no ene nya man of the match champion se dey bi no se kon ma no ni player Makati
Oma anyiro mo ye ene oma mamu ye ha na ye pen no oma mamu ye ba Makati dey se kamode man of the match emano hands down.
All right, I'm here some champions so the two say man of the match and also come the ma ni player. Okay, yes I'm here Sebenya Al Hassan Gima. Ala otemenka.
Me pa chai me to won kapa.
Al Hassan Abdul Rahman say odin menya right.
Me pa chai.
Na opposition say I was shafting him.
Me na me Ash Gold National Supporters Chairman.
National Supporters Chairman.
Yeah.
Okay. Na minim first of all Musa champion my friend and say bia omre meeting bi.
Oh, no cre. Ye ni eyi MSS. You have to go match we no. Ye hun say niam bi ato sinika kranti no supporters leadership no ye tron krata Edman tanka ye bepese ni be hia. Na de be tia ye ni be hia no na wade nkra ba say wenya eyi agent ko bi wa akra e say wo konchianka ye mfa nhye fiada before kotoko match. Na ye nankasa leadership no ye tena ase dwene huhun se no ye ne kotoko match na ye crucial match nti se ye kase be ba betina meeting a e betimi affect ye team no nti saade a yenye na aduada nyame ya adom na ne kotoko bo a anka ye nde 2 o'clock na ye hia na ye ka kire no na o se ye asempa nti no no so wagi atu
na minim die ntie bi a champion be ka se enyam na o so mo free meeting mo onmum e na o so ofre mo
me kura no senya sa voice message ya metie ye ya na me nim mpose sa wo wadwin bi kura wo ni kiri mpose eye boa payonti na meeting no wo tu sheda
na after Friday no mo sa na kasa biem
after Friday me na kasa me na kasa ina me ka kire ni say ye dey cough Monday because of ye no kotoko match no
okay
ye mpese ebia ebekwa akwatena ase na bia nsem bi bepie na perfect ye team no because ye no kotoko so bo a ye nim say ye crucial match a say ye nya win na draw kra na e wo kuma ase bia ya ye nuje
na je say na mo hwe nim say meeting be ba so nya sa
e dey ye hwe nim say meeting ne baba so na no pay na me deputy organizer sending me voice mail bi say mentie enti me tie ye no na me hu say say en sama ndo ye papa we interview nsama wo keka no e wo e no
but odi yemfa ne say ensema champion akeni enne mo se mo ne na schedule meeting say e wo se meeting ba so nti say ne wa ma de ne besi
enu de ye mintimi ngina so because sesia no meeting time no nson a me hu say wo beba na say wo mba nti say time no so na ye kwotena se na wa mba de wo ho bia no so ye de beba betu dwa ma mo nso mo ate
Oh, okay. See, na me report be free boss say. In fact, supporters ni be say our voice we no mbo fu say. Ene nyame adma Wednesday kura mo midweek game am bon ko ne mane maso wa meeting na.
Ene dia ye no press supporters no temper abasoro pa. Won say penyini dia say wo gina bedwam na wo kasa say wo hwe wo kasa yi. Because kasa bi wo ho e betumi free wano na mo bua akwala de ma no na buo ni ni akọ. Akwala nso say wonya kasa wo penyini won bua anase won bu bie ma. Obetumi aye nie bebre a emfata e di akyerɛw papa ne kasa wo kasa ye ne die niema bebre ntweye so wo kasa supporters ni kwan sɛ ye mo bɛfrɛ coach niema ne na atena ase na mo akyerɛ coach e die wonya efi ye den na wapam coach no so coach ni wonim sɛ coach no wonim die obɛyɛ wonso wonim die wo ya e ye den na wapam coach no and we assemble ko supporters a ekom die mo na wonu ne fidi amu no wama ye hu nsa supporters dudu nipa say na ba me ho be diska me na me fidi amu nti na me say supporters come di amu me dia minim say me ni me doma ye supporters die obi ani wa papa we wa kwade kapre
because champions bi no mo ho come di wo mo
entire Ash Gold supporters ni ano e come di bi no mo which is not true
but wan kase mu nyina alaso wan kase mu o si binom
me say want to mean kase the entire Ash Gold supporters binu mo e come the yamo me see anya no kure
na ya na bi mu nko no ho kope kakra say na e dia president
obi anu a wo kono ho one bra bontin be kase o si me si we na ba me ho abegiska because me kai say ye ba office ye kwajia no kumase ye di tunanim say so bia the supporters din e ba nanim say wo be bibia won consult to me chairman na me deputy before because yen ye mo bia mba ni nchen say wo be diska mbua yen ye bua team ne yem fantu nanim yen ye mbua team ne mba nanim say won ma yeska into want to me mbeka say o supporters bi e come the mo me mo ba ni nchen be diska nkesa ya ba ni ho wo meeting kumase several times me tuma ni say won kan ukura say the ben ya ba ni ho wo meeting wo kumase a wa ka say yen gi even one Ghana cedi mfantofu alinku ye ka mo nkoda
oh champion supporters mu susu say waye tintin ti say bia okasa ontie obia de open no ya na even though na dey sika ye team ne de
eni de ya no kure won say Ash Gold ye team a enye team ketwa Ghana ha say ye ka team a sumbu a ye bekasa Ash Gold ye number 1 ade ntina me kasa say si a wo hwe kotokwa wo hwe has say ye kasa ye de tu apampa so aton no wodoma Ash Gold bo be ye din aten kotokwa na say has because facilities are Ash Gold kutano enye facilities ketwa intino enya dia individual wo bekasa wo betumi aton eye caretaker ye di team na mana caretaker no wo hwe won tumi nkasa team ni ye ni japade because company na nton ama no so company ni ton ma na ye ton ni say one bra one team be kan say ye ton ma mi say mi tia say no one for prove mbra ye be wura man sin ye nko bibini bia ho ye ko broni no wa direct
okay
because enim say we caretaker ya nton team na ma no because for this stadium nkwampo papa no won timi nto na wa beto Ash Gold team.
All right, alasa yen sedan say umre hu ye beja nyame adoma ye behwe se wia cham beba meeting na se wo ma afterwards no ye tena se wia be sa afro ne adi nkomo wai
Mate medamasi.
Okay, Alhassan Abdulrahman National Supporters Chairman ewo Obuase Ashanti Gold Nensem eno na yanko hearts folks game nim kakra abadwafo wa haye wi ombewura nsem nim Edwani Odum has almost interim coach on after Bechem United game no yentie de ono so de tu dwa efa game no ho.
I think it was a very difficult game, not because our opponents are better than us, but I think we are squandering chances over chances. We took the game on from the blast of the whistle, but still we are creating chances that we are not able to finish, and I think that is a worry to us. I think we saw that our opponents were not possessing the ball as we see. So now we were playing 4-2-1-3, but we saw that they were just ballooning the balls to a half. So we decided to push more men forward because we are playing hope, and then it is 1-1. So we decided to push Afutu to push Afutu to the top, to push him to support the attack. That is it.
Okay, Edwani Odum ensem eno na the opposite number na Bechem United for coach Kwaku Danso. Ono so say eno game na Bechem Lucy wo Accra Sports Stadium on there the players disappointed no.
I must say that it's a very painful defeat because we came here with a purpose that if not getting the 3 points, at least we must get a point. And we lost the game. But I must say that my players disappointed me. Looking at the way they were ballooning the balls when the time added, they were ballooning the balls. We should have put the ball on the ground, play our normal game to at least secure a point. But it's football. It has happened, so we go back and see what we can do.
Okay, and your coach no so dia de banana player Hafiz Konkoni and na Bechem United team no, in fact it do be na so mu delay time near there na Hafiz Konkoni say sa de na part of football e di ko amanone be bia e ho.
In game, even more than outside, they do play like that. So it's part of the game. In some way or the other, you need to delay times more so that in game, if the pressure is on your team, you need to to make the pressure go down. So you need to delay some of the time in order for them to also gain some kind of energy so that they can also play. It isn't that we were just deliberately delaying time. It's not like that.
Okay, and here sama Hafiz Konkoni enso di tu na Kotoko has game baso UK no ano pay Ghana League Clubs Association in penny for the press release about Montana semna woman no ne tintin tietie nyina ne se Ghana campaign for say omo any organizers no African Origin Travel and Sports Tourism reach agreement no omati asese nyame ya adoma Kotoko has game no enkoso ewo London na adia omodi ahyem biom ne se on say Ghana America kasa yebo 18 club league enti de ten say uyi Kotoko as free ma aka 16 clubs enti 16 clubs they say Ghana any African Origin aqua agreement say yemfa obia rep bako enko London bi ama siso ma giatum na no na Ghana campaign for say wombeka che Premier League clubs ni nyina say latest by Ochina and Sana Gaka empon free one more faces nipa on person de nekonom one more fani din emfa embrasa press release we no Gaka chairman Mr. Kujo Fiano and anensa eshesa krata we asena Kofi Manu Blue Boy din sembia to just say one of the game na ekoso London no only problem be as a game because we London but a dear that's also a kwakobo independence game no and no problem because Ghana ha yeti yesesi age fa hudie na se yeti yetimi e bibia dia e die nti ene yesi ye tam independence game e de akoye colonial masters kurom akobo sa match no abra sesi o se mampanyine se independence day be rotate ye di be ko tamale ne de bi ko ha sesi nyame adma fi de kra e baso e wo Babara Stadium on do susu se ankana a nice opportunity e de ma Asante Kotoko senka list ye de be CC Stadium no na nka pitch na bibia kama de amom na mum antimi amanesa no o se a missed opportunity na mum organizers ne din de e be yanka ban krantrolete enfama clubs ne say sa independence game no da so no wo munye din mfamfiri so.
How will you imagine say yebo league so na ye independence anniversary celebration league ongoing anniversary celebration 6 March Kotoko crowd one luckily for Kotoko no the state has decided to rotate the celebration as is the Asante region yet has say no Kumasi Asante Kotoko oko Kumasi Sports Stadium front lights enye adwuma oko Cote d'Ivoire tamana ofebuan rotate no say your plan is say this year you beba abedi eyini wo regional capital we so they make sure say yenya good road from the main capital to that place hotels near facilities about and think I was expecting say this anniversary match nka yambo no Kumasi and say president any match pass any ceremonies nyina wia anwumre 7 o'clock Kotoko and has abo match ama ye dia gieni no so you ask yourself with the National Sports Authority from now to the 6th of March I say Kumasi Sports Stadium ye first lift wo to the
Okay. And you Kofi Manu Blue Boy nsem no but no so game back to between Mediama and Eliminations game no referee Eric also Prempe in fact Mediama 14 fie Lucy but referee no Bonabaso say referee no adwuma pa obeye e wo takwa in fact omo bi da even though omo tene fie Lucy dey but omo so moni aso eno ye nsema free eyetakwa enso ababitoja oko Ghana Boxing Federation enso so ya George Lamte ena yomo president ono so de nsem bia to dwa na no ye beka boxers no asem wa ha na George nsem kan say sports minister Honorable Isaac Esiama se odi ontimi makora na once one deputy Perry Okujetu na onfenani enfamehwe no nani ba be hwom na so mu tu efri Ghana ha edom ni kura kire Dakar nkomo pe because ka football for na nka ekọ eye tournament bia ko mekọ akosra wo
We are also calling on the Ministry of Youth and Sports, at least for the minister or the deputy minister to pay a courtesy call on the team before you go. Because if you could see in some countries, Uganda, their minister was with the team, seeing the team off. Gabon has gone to East London. This is a preparation, and it's like we want boxing to grow. So we are pleading with the Minister of Youth and Sports. If he can hear me very well, he has done his best, but he should do more so that we also congratulate him.
Okay, ti ya no yen sema anopei ye bedi ho nkomo ene ye Facebook live nanka yo highlights of games ye course na otwe wie ye ene pictures bi ne ade but ye network ne my problems pa nji ene ye besres ye ntimi amfa ma miese nyame adma wia na chena ye de bi beba ayala ma mention sem na sem fi ho matches ye course ene ho nsema ebe nyina
I think league we are born will go down in history as one of the best leagues that Yabo Ghana. And there's simple reason, and they say for league BR to say you better target as a site, you know. And your man a indicators, and they say one league has to be competitive. They are tossing, you know. And you can say easy for the followers of the league to predict. Say match where because you see a scoreline, match where because you see a scoreline, we will form to a beshe home nkwade home for no beshe team we nkwade or yakese or pedigree or history or beshe. I think say enioma you know I characterize your season so far up to week 10. Say no crane nyame you can place your hands on any team in any game. Say chinchine trying certain way or befa win, and that is very, very exciting for your league, you know. Under normal circumstances, every league be say you do week 10, and I've started to me a proper appraisal of teams in our holding any baby omutosini anyhow league na kasankasa ebisiako. Now the first interesting thing to note after week 10 and say your boy week 9 we na ni week 10 no, there were 5 teams and no more 17 points. Adriana, Kotoko, Mediama, Ashgold, Brecum, Chelsea. No more 17 points. And Sunday Abel started week 10 matches, you know. None of these teams now no more that top now no more 17 points, you know. Any team manager say maybe to note after week 10. And so more that's strong. Any points no more no. Week 10, none of teams now no more 17 points now no more pay win. Now come dia 20 points, you know. Obian wa otiminya win. Liberty share Diana 5-2. Kotokone as good ball draw. Elimina Sacks Equa Kun Park. Ewatakwa Eco share team FN Mediama, and that is Mediama first loss. Ewo fear this season against Elimina Sacks 2-1. And I internalize Eco share Brecum Chelsea by 3-1. But my problem is say and then back to back. Time Chelsea starting season, you know. The reason why I know be convinced of money was not because they were scoring a lot of goals. 1-0. But ding. So be penetrating to Chelsea for defense, no. No what me akwa show mo. But and the story and they say Chelsea in their last 2 games, they are show mo back to back 3 goals. And Chelsea last 2 games more conceded 6 goals. Against Team FN Elimina Sacks, about Team FN Bernard Boateng, able hat-trick against Chelsea. And this weekend, the Victoria Adebayo show, El Brecum, and so come making sure say, or my dispatch or more, as are the 3 goals at to Team FN Chelsea at him. Now, you want Chelsea line up them. And I may be some who say 1. I didn't see the goalkeeper or Serko Jubunsu, and a them rather than that. And Omonoma says, you know, I didn't see Brahima Mohammed and Ebo Branty Feni Manolo Usu at the bench. Mentia Minya and he said, oh, these 2 players, you know, I 1 yellow card away from suspension. And Chelsea forged you to Muso, oh, internalize the Omoba Brukum Nkwadi, Ebesomo. And Tiama Bunsunkoda, Nayama Branty Feni Brahima, Emebo 6, you know, for the first time for Chelsea Football Club. And look, the Chelsea are solid, and they be a say, Team B, I am solid defensively, and you move backline and qua. But any Pakona will provide a shield number 6, no. Anyhow, we defensive network, you know, Yabo home by no. And it's how solid that defense in the bay, and Uhuni clearly. So with that, Branty Feni Manolo also just 6 off for Team FN Chelsea. Brahma Jumedi Obedi against Team FN Interlice, no, and Jumedi be a Swani. And look at the goal I share Bonsu. The first free kick na Victoria Adebayo boy Sabono look all things being equal sa free kick na share that lot and it's our two players o crucial to the way o defense na tight that lad the pomu o save a lot of goals yes or conceded 3 goals against Elimina Sacks but the excuse say so because of accumulated cash na internalize the oh ya show mu obrekum enti ama ntina bench na yamfa goalkeeper bonsu nkoda na yama imano osusu ntina bench na yama Brahma Mohammed enkoda no I think say a decision be a cost team ye fene Chelsea Football Club and internalize we no munya no was because again omu defense no kaka it seems that Tokro yes it seems that Adebayo no man na ode koye no but look yama Abrante Abaso I think he's the most exciting player ever league in him. In the skill, in the finesse, in the intelligence, in the decision making, in the general contribution for entire lives. And you can't say anything than to say Abante no I'm a league in my head. Even for Yaya Mohammed to admit say the show now Abante never died they do breakum no Emma and the pressure so no so call that someone uncle be no crash sampa. Your league is very, very exciting. And the last time, and the record for Ghana Premier League, I think say Egina 22 goals for Ismailado. And for us to play 10 games, not 2 players our 10 goals there. Now I'm here GDS and we are we break Ismailado record this season.
10 games.
10 goals. And averagely 1 goal every game. Yeah. Se ka say e corner say there will be matches be goals in PM but Ismailado will be obeka say this season potentially the record now hold under threat papa
year more matches
exactly House of Folk winning is exciting especially the way we winning look Saturday me share me now for my house for am catch me say Bekum Bechem team no say only them moya who how strong am we. It's a very, very strong team. Last time I was having a chat with Medium assistant coach Hamza. Unso muko hono. Ekakakemi nka match na ending the draw na consider you say 93rd minute goal. Emo munya win. Na musa say na bechem team no timi ba Akun Park. Ebe ma mo tough times I no say hala. Boys ni bobo. Bechem team ni bopa. Especially omu goalkeeper sempa. Or coming the next no control game no from baby Odaron. And omu 2 strikers. Prince Edu and Abante FN Hafiz Konkoni. Omo ball long ball no ma Hafiz because Hafiz or height or flekia. Edu no intelligence or pace.
Yes, so a 16-year-old boy.
Very, very young guy.
Watches 7 goals.
Yes, but more. And in intelligence in the composer or boxing him no. Or a tormentor or boxing him. And today I'm so almost taking this competition in my House of Folk. But one thing House of Folk spirit seems to be coming back and they say, look, they will never sit down until the balls are rotten. So more tough competition crana. House of Folk catch up say home record this season. And that against Bechem also to me copper results. And many actually for Abante be say Kofi Koji. Abante start here and go for be man a dog chance. Almost a 2 bulky. Only composure, only she. But one thing I mean who about House of Folk team and they say, and they don't waste a lot of time with the boy who finfi ho. Omo possible on ko anim ho. Baby Daniel a free ene is or mujina just to put pressure on opponent in defense no. And so yes they are consistently. So also apply or strikers no bomb at a point in time they will be very, very good. But me with Kotokone as good game.
Ai kakra bi na me yenye ni kakra. E wi e be sabeto aso.
You see, Mira Stadium no. Ana me de to Twitter say Abante fan Justice Blay nya malaria on bo game no. Already na kotokodo mo line up abeto Abante Justice Blay wom. So nkofo bi kan start so mo banta mo Twitter say official kotoko line up Justice Blay wom. And I'm saying no Abante ni mbo because onya na malaria. The reason why make us kotoko eyade in the game is because of the injury situation of Munyaye. Because I will ask go team no. Now, as good represent a midfield trial of James Akamenko, Apia Makati, Latif and Abila. Nasa Kotoko enya even one of Enka Obia Feta, almost midfield tradent or Mudibe game anymore. It seems that in the engine room of the game, even before Sebe Kekibono, Kotoko ever form. Because I know here, Kotoko midfield was Collins Ameyao. Kinsley Efa and a Martin Entry. No Quenya is a place in Yafeta. It will be Justice Blay, Adon Frimpon, and a Bante Feni Budasiru, Mohammed and a Kabebo. And Kotoko engine room one. And look, Salet Malaria na Chibleno. a changing Master Kudu, a tactics strategy into the game. The beer was in disarray. And it's all right. And baby, a minimum so and it say, so go through that situation there. Na say only say 2 out kotoko training ahead of the as good game no. Na you will poku mensa na kebe start as the main striker and the only striker obo game no. Na be Keita at bench. And yes injury na buy no. And odi na be Keita ebe kan will poku mensa ho. And mo friend Empem da Costa. It is all here. Even kotoko bas ni Medu stadium. Empem da Costa free. And your friend say just be pra into on camp. And odi mi ka e fa ka no buy. And obi we dressing room obi ka kotoko team no. The problem with Master Credo is say oh but Nasa 2 strikers. Why don't you play them on the top? Because look, Master was trying to explain our post-match press conference. On where born now Kojama could ball right back now. Or a player be of calling him or him call. Until they wanted to put a striker there. So they be able to take advantage of that space, you know. And the truth of the matter, they say, from Ulama Pokumenso, BNM from Karela to 2 Kwai, and back to Kotokono. The greatest asset and your pace. The greatest asset and your movement. And it's about taking advantage of space. The greatest asset, and they say, he's very, very bulky. Area situations over how I gain. And on your side strikers now, on my defender, and I was expecting him to play 4 midfielders, no more 2 top no anymore. And Abante couldn't do any better job on side spaces now. Abante fell Kojama and leaving no. And look, ahead of the game, now make I say 2 teams, you know. Adi omo offer game wepa e omo right backs no and how influential and then obi oba baba sports stadium bia be dia that say the game was played from the right backs no Kojama ko jibo na otifria na outgoed hwan ehu Christopher Nate jibo na otifria na Kotoko so hwan ehu and it was exciting to see those 2 players making sure say sad debate about them say between Omumienu one best right back Ghana League news siano they gave us exciting but many champion yagin
here.
Apia Makati should have won the man of the match. Born here no Apia Makati ball. Last free kick na ball ebo pool. No video see ya ba yentimi nyinchire. And I think for me injury situations in my Kotoko results no munya is something that they can only hope.
It's who they now send Apia Makati.
Yes. For Bona Branta the born and run it.
Okay.
For me, he was everywhere, controlling the tempo. On a bone in an so or Checheno or pass it, no winnie boss. No, on a name Kotoko for the bread. It's Mintia said into man of the match now, man. But Sir Christopher Nate, I think it's understandable.
Okay.
But bare 10 seconds, look. You can't put Usika and hate him, no. But you don't talk to supporters that way.
We are by a bit why also.
Now,
remember Christian, so Christian and opinion said Ante Wonka. I would make fine.
As a Mekudi baby Kakra.
And Yakwaba.
Champa Semana me TV, Miss me.
What's he, you know?
Yeah. Very, very insulting. Very, very, very insulting. There is no club in this world that will survive without their supporters. Even see that. No club. Even see that. Even the Premier League. Yet we bought a game. Now clubs and they say on bet me survive it. Abra supporters in Rome Stadium. 2015-2017 Premier League ne boy, you know. 11 clubs out of that 20 clubs ne boy Premier League, you know. Now go Benyan Faso if they played in an empty stadium for the whole season. Omokra will not talk to the supporters the way he did. Very, very insulting. Now, what is the crime of supporters here from a brand new year meeting? And describing them say they were hungry. Goodness me. Champ, you don't talk to a group of people almost who will scout your club in the but your club in their supporters. Respect them. Even find a nice way of talking to them. But the way you talk to the supporters, and I mean, some are to go support and because I'm going for a free meeting. Kamedin who ya papa.
Ceci, I'll be sending a message from Mobuase. Or say hi, bro. Or say as good fans have decided to boycott stadium on Wednesday ahead of their game against Dreams FC.
Yeah, watch out. Sir, comment way. I best say as good season, you know. I know that answer supporters. Sir, comment way are champion, you know. Look, he or Sika or project or bit me push it, but as good supporters, you know. I best say it is, you know. They will frustrate him. Champion beja team no wako.
I'm say champion ni re ye fi omo ye team no mom. Obi. Me wuram kakra mame.
Well, nipa de form So I'm sure said the reaction of Yenia, I mean, Champ now a very matured man, and I'm sure say oh sorry I no pay. On reflection, he knows what to do this morning, and minimum conforce or money Champ now. Even Fedachi and Obama champion who said no. That's the wrong way to go. Yeah. And it's bound to happen. Sometimes you bring friction between coach and supporters, you bring friction between management and supporters. Friction by a kasa or kasa now kasa and said any panel so no what the other side be react no. And the problem but improper leadership I was say opinion sorry. Now Ojitum said no, I went wrong so and that would be the only wise way to go. Yeah.
I see. Now say championship. Christian they also can say what idea champion supporters in there.
Me sure say they will be can on kasa eda idea chi or reflect here.
Yeah, me sure say
no team who be more. You realize say and nyame no krani.
E bi sukura na meeting na wako na on say cho pade.
Me sure say meeting na so ko. So patch we.
Or find way of or best settle issue we crowd unless still now no we prim na kuma say the original but I mean on champ na him say your champ or you fully aware the role supporters ni play on the project scan or but nyanya wait to be
this weekend me who Chelsea for score line on
and no shock you
me who jiri me
man Liberty Diana so
almost a Liberty Kalind of Nesta don't buy any there. Shocking results there.
5-2.
But Osha Chelsea, what they did in the first 5 games, and the kind of team that they met in the first 5 games, and it's the first 5 games, you know, Wabo Has, Wabo Kotoko, Wabo Ashanti Good, Wabo Liberty. Also, that's those 5 games, you know. Nasa 5 games, you know. Number one team in the net. Now, after 5 games, you know, you are now clean sheet in the first 5 games, you know. What's your last 5? You see about how many games? 10. The last 5. Now, I'm conceded 9 goals in the last 5 games. Also, almost season, so far, first 10 games, you know, I have 2 halves. The first 5 was very much impressive. The last 5 has been very, very, very poor. And for a team, first 5, born team in the net. Now, the last 5, Nanajiman. Or considered 9 goals here. Also, the first time we considered goal was only a number 1-1. Then next the following week, you know, we lose to Bechim 2-1. And a back-to-back, or lose 3-0, 3-1. Also, before this week, you know, nothing said Sharks are 3-0.
Chelsea season, idiot. You said no more.
That's why you should be surprised. Set team first 5 games, Obian team for born to the net. Now the last 5. In fact, the last 2 are surprising. Because the last 2 back-to-back now considered 3 goals there. What are the first 5 games? You know, measure Mancasa standard. Me sure say Chelsea supporters in France are quite disappointed. Say, anyone try by this time, and they need to fix it. Now, me and Ukraine, you can't see any pitches in the year. It does not even help anybody apart from the club themselves. Who am first going to consider? Keeper was expecting say ball be bouncy.
Free kick,
yeah. So when he pass, but say ball be bouncy, but goalkeeping technique no according to poor. Ya my na musan fanchibo especially abra ball no ehwe po mu de wo say go for more technique your team kon nan ba kum say and I can nine bo ho so the ball cross keep on sa ball nine basic goalkeeping technique go keep on that wrong na e the ball no to achire me ma internalize for no but management internalize for so ya bibi onum say am last 2 away games no we ni na
internalize
yeah the last time almost 11 won the 3-0 and this week no must akwa away. The last 2 away games are in Talas Abunyina no. Omanya de kwayo 3. Because on last away game we shall living won the 3-0. And this week another away game no. Omasa kwa away akoshe Chelsea by 3-0. Na me no Ukraine and round Twitter no because Kotokoni has ne kobo no UK ni die. I was saying ka enya play say Adebayo was teams mu back um. Ada say kobo Kotokona has that excitement, you know, say no. 2 teams need play bia. Why that exciting? What they compare the game now? Almost say now. So far in the Premier League, about 9 games. 9 games no abona. Ukra 10 goals, 4 assists. The most exciting player so far in the Premier League. And just say be the goal no conversion ko am. You sure say in the second goal no share there. It might even contest for goal of the season, but the skill, any pace, any placement on the ball to attend no. You need to love Abrante Fred Adebayo. Amazing player. The men who so far in the league there or near Abrante Fred ya na challenge there. Ya be share goals in there. But the Adebayo the BT ya say Adebayo abesa ma assist also no oye skillful player also go no say my assist so far in the season dey na me no create me sure say Brandon the next 2 or 3 years the future is very bright for Brandon Feno Victorian Adebayo. All right, my first home loss and mama
yes, referee Eric Osuprempe. Yeah. Oh boy, Juma papa. Mediama for now.
So for Mediama to have even lost the game and still praising the referees, they say results was nothing influenced by the referee. And Omanga more than one so any. Now we must have results. Now here Mediama this season at home. The first home game was a half 3-0. Second home game was a 1-0. Third home game was a Sandwood 1-0. And on the fourth home game, or say became 1-0. So until this weekend game, not the previous 4 home games are no more no. They were recording wins. Why that 1-0 for a team to beat Hartlepool 3-0. Kotokoma was 1-0. Now other teams in about some 1-0 no. Nyamiano created no team say or more 2-1 to Saxon. I was extremely surprised. League they quite there. I quite will be a new at this point, we could have question for Mediama to have lost the first home game after so BT Asha has Asha Sandwood Asha Kotoko now home game. I was least expecting say Obelu home game to now it should not be Sharks.
All right, Christian, me that say but my name must be my message. My color baby name also we got a clear penalty on the 92nd minute, but because of fear, the referee rather awarded a free kick just on the 18-yard box line. Was Kotoko were just lucky we overplayed them and we should have won. I'm really sad for Chelsea fans. I said these are their next 9 fixtures starting from today. Chelsea versus Manchester United, Tottenham, Bayern Munich, Bournemouth, Liverpool, Everton, Aston Villa, Bayern Munich and Man City. So I say, please ask Christian whether Felix Annan is being treated well by Maxwell Konedu. I say, good morning, Kenneth at Pacific Consort, my Calababu, Neymar. Christian, what message you know?
So Felix Annan, me medical can say, making me point clear. Who should be number 1 there? A coach Nankasa decision. No one can force a goalkeeper on the coach.
Okay.
But okay, say we assume he be number 1 there. Whenever he's available, he must be in the goal post.
All right. Obi, I know results be surprising one.
Oh well, Nanan Pacho the kind African origin. Wa unim so omukra rights for Hartlepool. Yes. And Friday near about the someone supporters nika I say was here Mukuta. Mekai CC chapters and circles and I'm excited so finally agreement net to me about Obia Benyani de Kotkoni Hearts near Obia Benyani de na ye de beko yanim ebium so I guess a galka for so demands no so ya dia ye sure some bedwen ho and it makes sorry to say nonsense of someone blue boy can yes na dwenchre but say galka panyifo nyina person mu land and bi now no argument. In fact, Michelle no FA Secretariat Friday. The argument is so other nearby league. Na ye Kotkoni has ya momu permission so monko. But I was say argument we crowd a more lame arguments no make it registration e cost me sure say now the numbers
I'm on for send message say organizers in a number no there be the maba mesro se bia Kotokoni has game no yami ad more channel deadline
channel deadline there was a man for rational
so then go for 15
cool crowd na
15,000
cool cash
yes number ni 0544 322 111 0544 322 111 and 0544 322 112 0544 322 112 visa support ni visa fees any accommodation in London, travel insurance, breakfast, transportation in London, game tickets, any after game party, any sightseeing over Tottenham Stadium, Emirates Stadium, Stamford Bridge. Now when you return flight tickets and peace of mind.
Yeah, absolutely. And as a liberty to be share, Diana Kanuma Motimu Mienu Diana, you said Ghana League Ankasa in the last 5 or so years, year in terms of the number of goals a single game to be produced. So a single game producing 7 goals. me sure say na Nigeria or Karen of Papa ye. Of course, I'm return on the Nyasa 5 goals, and I at this material moment they to my can say was some build this consistency. No, Liberty Professionals Nankasano and position. Of course, league table no say any difference of 1, difference of 2, because the difference between Kim Faisal or Darcy and Karel Otosu Edu and so no 5 points. Apart from the 17th position to the first position, a difference of 1, 15-14. Into 1 year consistent kakrabia a idea behind you. And to my entire for results or mania away from home nemo muaye huno. And a idea back was a boy coach is tabaso, especially license A4 no. Omo ye adwuma omranti na dwinim kese kracha and tactics no. Into be a boy away from home or born so jani fie or main factors to me and factors and in someone and I knew my to me my way to be more the mobile form no or more and Liberty 5 there. I'm just hoping says our goal scoring form no here goals be or league it's also able to me abwa how to work I guess munya last minute goals so and also Emma and to me assess team no my no you still have the character. Unfortunately no how supporters na pressure o do me empam no it's say born or more born according to or game ni but they are saying say 2 goals some consider any the style of football no I mean you can't 3 points into 3 points then kakra no I know and but of course team biano or kwan bia brings a room for improvement. We are not perfect situations for our football clubs. You bet me I can say a lot of room for improvement. Sharks confidence number confidence need free or more win over Chelsea. Branty friend Benjamin Eshenya 2 goals. Almost no and to have an away win against Media no so have any Liberty there no Media a team who cut top 5 teams in Ghana had there was a down the Media but say you away wins ni one indicator of how fair the league system is. Mentally the players are going but MC referees also no more winning at all. This a ball no ball so obetumi nya results away from home. Yeah, sure say we are okay.
Na ye ba na time aka na ye de ama ye college na so etie for mo so ma bem edema dwenkyere aba ha